Vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change the headlights in your 2016 to current Hyundai Elantra. I don't know why the company hasn't, or a lot of the auto manufacturers haven't adopted the LED headlights into their vehicles yet, but yes, my Elantra has those yellow gross halogens that we need to get rid of. I picked up some LEDs from Amazon, links below. We're gonna get the yellows swapped out for these new bulbs. The quality of these bulbs seem pretty excellent. Really nice build, all encompassed into one little short cable to plug into the OEM headlight plug. The Hyundai Elantra uses a 9005 bulb. These are 6000K, so they should look a lot better than the white. So let's get to removing the old bulbs. First, I'll show you what the old bulbs look like. Gross yellow bulbs. Let's get those replaced. First thing you want to do is unplug the LED strip, and then you're going to want to twist the cap counterclockwise until you can pop it off. Popped off. And then you can reach inside and turn the bulb with your fingers clockwise and then pull it straight out. It's really tight. The hole is not very big. It is a lot like the BMW headlights as well. Letting you guys witness the struggle, and it's real. Okay, there we go. Now just pull up on the tab and then you can pull your bulb out. Just like that, 9005 halogen. So long. Just a quick tip for reinserting this small tab out of the three. This one goes up top. So you're going to want to put it in slightly to the right, push it in, and then twist back to lock it into place. I won't bore you with the reinsertion, but let's get these back in. Before we get too far, make sure you plug this plug back in. We'll test the bulb. Perfect. Want to make sure that it works because it is polarity specific. So if you plug it in the other way, it doesn't work. So make sure that if the bulb doesn't work, just try and switch the plug around. So it works, we are good to go. Before, yellow grossness. After, nice white light. Looks much better. One thing I ended up doing was taking the wheel off, peeling back the inner fender liner so that I could easily see in the hole and verify how to turn the bulb so that it would sit properly. Now that it's working, we'll get this all buttoned up and switch to the other side. So hopefully you guys can see the difference of light output. Nice and white. Yellow, I can't stand the yellow. The white is much nicer. We're going to repeat the same thing on this side, except for we're not going to do anything from up top because the fuse box is in the way, and there's no way to actually get our fingers in there. So because we can't get in behind there, you have two options. You can take the front bumper off and then pull the headlight out and then work on it on the bench, or take your tire off, pull the inner fender back, and then you can reach up in there. So I'm gonna go with the lesser of the two evils and just take the wheel off, peel back the inner fender liner. There's just some circle push pin fasteners in there that you pop out, and then you can easily move out of the way. So let's get the other side done right now. So like I was saying, just take your trim tool, which you've got on Amazon, links below. Pop it under, pull it out. There's 8 on the inner fender, and then there's 1 under here, 1 under here, and 1 under here. Pull those out, and then you can peel it back. Now we can easily get up here and twist the cap open, pull it out, and we can reach the bulb. Bada bing, bada boom. Much better. What do you guys think? All back together, good to go. Look what I just found. Since we took the inner liner out, this was just sitting here. I wonder how long that's been there. That's pretty good quality check from Hyundai Canada. Some technician obviously likes Starburst candies. There we have it. Headlights have been changed. Took me about an hour. I struggled with the first one until we pulled the inner liner out, and then I could see what I was doing. So I highly recommend just taking your inner liners out, and then you'll be able to see no problem. And for the time that it takes to take your wheel off and inner liner out, you'd save on trying to fight with trying to get the bulb twisted into place anyways. I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Hopefully it will help one of you guys out there watching this YouTube channel right now. And if it did help or you found it informative, smash that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I'm just here to help the car community and other people in their small tasks on their vehicles. If you're looking for the tools or the bulbs that we used today, links will be down below. Click on the link, it'll take you directly to the site where I purchased the product, and you can get started doing your own DIYs. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe.